Are you okay down here? What's going on? Oh. Don't put all your weight on her. Come on. You guys just got adjusted. Good morning, homies. It is Monday, and we're hanging out watching Madden Machines. Right, Alia? I've been plowing the streets. She's eating T-Rex over there. Jonah's eating yogurt granola. Scarfing it down. I put the vlog up and been cleaning. Cat peed on laundry again, which means gotta find a new home for Cat. I can't be cleaning cat pee all the time because he's jealous. And he peed all over the kids' clothes, and he peed all over my clothes, which means he's mad at both of us. I'm just over it. But anyway, I wanted to say, hey, what's up? Right now I gotta feed the baby. And I've been trying this stuff out, guys. Beech nut. She seems okay with them. Apple, pumpkin, and granola. So, she's been like battling constipation, you know, from eating solids, so I figured apple's good for that. Pumpkin's probably good for that. And granola, oh, we know it's good for that. We're gonna try that out and see if she kind of stays regular. She was working on something down here, so. Hey, princess. How are you? You have all your toys?
That's not princess.
Yeah, it is.
Are you ready to go? It's really snowing out there.
Huh?
I'm just warming up my engine.
She's not wearing a princess hat?
You kids have never seen
I have one I can put on her. You want a princess hat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think the last time you wore one, you broke it. You snapped it in half, so I'm not giving you another one. But anyway, I just spit on this viewfinder. We are going to take care of Dibby, and we are going to feed Baby. That's what's going to happen. And tonight we have to go to the Cairo. Jonah, we go to the doctor tonight. No, at 4. So we're going to go get adjusted. Maybe it will help with her pooping.
So, where are we headed?
We're going to go to the Cairo.
Yay!
What do we do there, Jonah?
Draw.
Okay, but what do we go to the Cairo for?
For appointment.
Yep, to get what?
I get appointment.
To get what?
I get appointment.
To get an appointment to get what? What do they do?
They stamp your back.
They stamp your back?
Yeah.
You get adjusted, right?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Well, let's get going.
You're gonna see us there.
You're gonna see us there. Hashtag you're gonna see us there. So do with it. Well, which by the way, my hair looks horrible, but anyway. We just got back from the Cairo. Did you get popcorn?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, on your back, right? The activator?
No.
Ellie got adjusted too.
Eat it.
No, you don't eat it. Remember? It just makes the popcorn sound. Anyway, Jonah was like, you're getting popcorn on your back. And then the doctor that did my back, which I forget her name, she was like, oh, it's a big piece of popcorn. Because she had to like do like a big adjustment. So anyway, we are at home and we're about to go inside because it's wicked hot outside. It's like so hot. But we're planning on maybe going to the pool. Well, where, as in me, I planned it. Because I told Jonah we'd go to the store and then it's just too much with her. I gotta change her diaper anyway. That girl be cray-cray.
When you change her diaper, we can go to the store.
No, we're gonna go swimming. Remember?
Why?
Because it's easier. And it'll be fun because then you can play that little squirt thingy Christine got you.
What
Right?
was gross?
Oh, you'll see. But anyway, we are gonna get inside because it's wicked hot. I gotta get the babes in. And I gotta start making dinner. I'm make lasagna.
Yeah.
Yep, you like lasagna.
I don't like it.
Oh, you don't? I thought you did. So basically, we are doing a reward system now. So I just told Jonah every time he helps me and does a chore, he gets 1 coin, which is 1 penny. And if he gets 5 coins, he can trade it in for a Chuck E. Cheese coin. And so what I did was I gave him 5 pennies. Hold on, Jonah, don't touch. Well, don't look at that one, but basically 5 pennies. Okay. Don't look at anything because I keep dropping it. So basically I gave him 5 pennies and I said, okay, you could put your pennies and your coins in here for your regular spending because he already has a lot of money in there. Or you can trade it in, get a Chuck E. Cheese coin, okay? Yeah. And put Chuck E. Cheese inside the train. And if you get 10 Chuck E. Cheese coins, it means you get to go to Chuck E. Cheese. So basically, here you go. And what do? Where do you put it to save it?
In here?
No, where's the Chuck E. Cheese one?
This one?
No, turn it the other way. There you go. Good job. So now if you earn up to 10 of those, you get to go back to Chuck E. Cheese. Are you okay down here? What's going on? Oh. Don't put all your weight on her. Come on. You guys just got adjusted. It totally was whatever. Hey, don't do that. You gotta be careful. So that's kind of like what I'm starting. So good job, Jonah.
And their coin.
Give me a high five. High five. All right.
Now I can have another coin.
Well, no, you got to do some chores. But we don't have any chores left. So we'll have to wait till another day. A new day, a new tomorrow. Where'd you just go, Jonah?
Just go to the pool and we didn't leave the key.
Tell me what you did at the pool.
Play
Yeah?
with my water gun.
And you got a ball from somebody?
Yeah.
That's cool. And then what? Okay, come out here. I can't hear you. Well, what do you got to say to everybody?
Have a good night.
We'll see you tomorrow. Wave to me. Say bye-bye. That's not very nice. They want to say goodbye to you.
I don't want to say goodbye.
Okay, say it.
Look at it. Bye.
Say see you later, homies.
See you later. The right way.